We have 6 innate gifts that we were born with. They were given to us at birth. These are gifts that very few of us open and actually use. Morrissey and Bob Proctor do an amazing program with 2 different names. Bob calls it Magic in Your Mind. Mary calls it Into Your Genius. They discuss the 6 innate gifts and how to use them. They're like muscles. You want to use them every day. What I suggest, because this is actually a 6-week program I talk about in my podcast, and it's a 6-week program where they discuss each innate gift that you should practice for a week to build it up and strengthen it. Those 6 innate gifts are imagination, will, memory, perception, intuition, and reason. Imagination is actually one of the most important innate gifts which we have. The reason being, everything that we touch, that we taste, that we smell, that we hold, that we sit on, that we use, for which we flew to space in, was a thought. It was just substance. And the reason this is so important to create and re-employ our imagination, because we were basically taught in school not to dream, not to have this big imagination, but to get down to studying. Your imagination is what's going to take you beyond worldly concepts and create an amazing world for yourself and others around you. When you listen to my podcast, it's going to explain what's so important about imagination. And one of the best examples is a fighter pilot named Charles Plumb, who is actually world famous for being a prisoner of war, but using his imagination to overcome and succeed his prisoner of war experience. Podcast is Wealth, Yoga Wine. In less than 10 minutes, you glean amazing information to really improve your life.